Hey everyone, welcome back to PooLin's channel. This is Sean and today I'll be showing you the sewing interface on our PooLin EOC05 2-in-1 machine for a further introduction. And first, let me remove the embroidery unit and switch to the sewing interface automatically. And you see 5 stitch categories here: General, J, Overcasting, G, Buttonhole, A, Button Sewing, M, and Personal Stitches. Each type requires its own presser foot, so we make sure to switch to the right one before you start. For the presser foot, we have talked about it in the episode 2. So let's take one of the most common stitches, J11, as an example. Here, you can adjust the sewing speed of the machine. You can also mirror your stitch if you need the design flipped. And this icon here for threading trimming. Just tap it once and the machine will automatically cut the thread for you. On the right side, you can adjust the stitch settings. The minus moves to the left and the plus moves to the right. Width controls how wide your stitch is, and the length controls how long each stitch will be. If you ever want to go back to the default settings, just tap Reset. And if you are planning to sew with the twin needles, you can switch between single and double by tapping single, double right here. We can also combine different stitches together according to our needs. Just tap Combine, pick the stitches you want and hit Save. Once saved, your custom combination will be stored under Personal Stitches, and you can find it right here anytime when you need it. If you accidentally pick the wrong stitches or combine the wrong ones, don't worry, just tap Withdraw to remove the last combination. You can also go into Personal Stitches, tap Delete, and choose the ones you want to remove. And that's it. These are the key sewing functions on our PooLin EOC05 2-in-1. I hope this helps you get the most out of your machine. Have fun sewing! See you next time!